So how you make this moving needle in CapCut Mobile? First make or download needle. Then add in CapCut. And just simply rotate. If you thought this, then you are wrong. Because it's not moving like we want. So, this happens because CapCut Mobile doesn't have pivot or anchor point feature, which means you can't set the exact spot an object should rotate or scale from. Pivot point and anchor point basically mean the same things. The center where your object moves or rotates. In 2D apps like CapCut, they work the same way. The difference only matters in 3D apps or software. To make it simple, check this object I set right in middle. So after adding in CapCut, it's rotate like this. Now if you want to change pivot or anchor point of this object, set your object that part of new anchor point right in the middle. Make two-line making plus symbol. For easy to set objects in middle. Rotate in 90 degrees. Set right in middle using these two options. Now duplicate this line. Rotate in 180 degrees. Set in middle. Now you can change your object anchor point location. I created this plus looking center so I can easily change anchor point of object. Important thing is here center is pivot or anchor point. You need to adjust just your object. When you done, hide plus and make transparent background. Now his anchor point changed. After add in CapCut object, rotate like this. So back to needle, just set round circle right in the middle. Using relative position feature. Adjust triangle. For triangle use only upper option. If you click one lower option, this happens. Now save and add to CapCut. Now you can see this needle moving right. Because pivot point is changed. Now at keyframes, rotate needle, adjust like you want. And add graphs. I selected cubic in and cubic out, do whatever you like. And done. Not only this, you can create many things like this. Also this fan image by ChatGPT after giving him some details. Moving nicely after giving keyframe and graphs. One more last looking like video editing timeline. Created objects in PixelLab, then edited this. So this video is about to end. Thanks if you are still watching. And this PixelLab trick is for those who want to edit in CapCut Mobile. And it's not that hard. But if you want an easier and faster way, in a light motion and node video, you can easily use pivot, anchor points. And if you still want a tutorial of both app using anchor point, just comment below.